નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6 subject English grammar lesson number 9 revision 1. As you know students, in our previous video we completed exercise number 8. Now today in this video we have to do exercise B. First of all, exercise B's heading is given here. We have to understand about it and then we have to do exercise. Exercise B heading, rewrite the following sentences using the plural form of the underlined words. Rewrite the following sentences using the plural form of the underlined words. We have to convert that underlined words into plural form. So according to that, any other changes just happen in our sentence, then we have to do underlined word, we have to convert it into plural form. And then other changes also we have to do in the sentences. So let's start it. First sentence is given here, see. A pronoun is used instead of a noun. A pronoun is used instead of a noun. We have to convert that pronoun word into plural form. Now what type of changes we have to do? Just observe it. A pronoun, first of all we have to remove the article a here. And we have to write like pronouns. Then pronouns become plural form. Here pronouns, we cannot use is with pronouns, so we have to put plural. Helping verb also. Pronouns are used instead of. Here we have to do changes. We have to remove article a and we have to make plural of noun. So what's happened here? Nouns. So it's finalized converted into plural form. See, pronouns are used instead of nouns. Can you understand, student? Now second sentence we have to understand about it. The wizard presented the king a sword of gold. The wizard presented the king a sword of gold. Here sword word is underlined, we have to convert it into plural form and other things we have to do. First of all we start here. The wizard presented the king. Till here remains same. King, a sword, here a we have to remove it. Instead of sword we have to write swords, S-O-R-D-S. We have to write plural form of sword. Underline it, of gold. So here students, our second sentence also converted into plural form. See, the wizard presented the king swords of gold. Here swords, we put plural form of sword. Third sentence we have to see. Robin Hood was known for his heroic adventure. Robin Hood was known for his heroic adventure. Here adventure noun is given in the singular form. We have to convert it into plural form. So now what step of changes we have to do? Just see here. Robin Hood was known for his heroic. Then we have to convert adventure into adventures as a plural form. Adventures we have to add s here, so it's becoming a plural form. So now third sentence converted into plural form. Now fourth one we have to see. Linguistics have identified that language, dialect, change every mile. Here mile is given as a singular form. We have to convert it into plural and we have to see other changes also. So first of all remains same. Linguistics have identified that language, dialect change. Here we have to do changes. Here every remains same. Every, then we have to add one word here, few, F-E-W, few miles. So mile is uncountable noun, we cannot change it to in the plural form, but before that miles we add few. So now it changes like that, few miles up. So now it converted into plural form. Can you understand, students? Here our 4 sentences over. Remaining sentence we have to see in our next screen. Now students, sentence number 5th we have to see. Sentence 5th is given here. An accident took place here yesterday. Here accident word is underlined. Here is underlined and here friend to change it. So an accident took place here yesterday. One sentence is given. We have to convert an accident into plural form. So now what we have to change here? We have to remove n first of all. Then instead of n, we have to write many accidents. Many accidents took place here yesterday. So students, that sentence converted into plural form. Instead of accident, we will write here accidents in a plural form. So many accidents took place here yesterday. Can you understand, student? Now sentence number 6 we have to see. I simply can't resist the temptation of a pizza. I simply can't resist the temptation of a pizza. Here pizza is given in a singular form. We have to convert it into plural form. Then what changes we have to see? First of all, I write here I simply can't resist the temptation of a pizza. We have to remove here a. We have to remove here a, and instead of pizza we have to write pizzas. P-I-S-S-A-S. So it's converted into plural form. So final sentence become here. I simply cannot resist the temptation of pizzas. Can you understand, student? Now 7th number sentence we have to see. Where did you go with your friend? Where did you go with your friend? Here friend is given in a singular form. We have to convert it into plural form. So now what changes we have to see? Other things remain same. It's a one type of interrogative sentence. So we have to keep in mind that we have to keep it in a interrogative form only. We cannot change the form of sentences. We have to change singular to plural only. So what we have to write here? Where did you go with your friend? Instead of friend, we have to write friends. We have to write friends. So it's converted into plural form. Can you understand, student? So final sentence, where did you go with your friends? Here our 7 sentence is over. Now students, sentence number 8 we have to see. A book is a man's best friend in loneliness. Here, book is underlined in a singular form. We have to convert it into plural form and then rewrite the sentence. A book. First of all, what types of changes we have to do? Here, A articles we have to remove. Instead of A book, we write books. It changes into plural form. Books. Here books is taken, so we cannot use is helping us. We have to put here are. Instead of is, we have to put are. A man's best friend in loneliness. Can you understand? Here our sentence converted into plural form. Books are a man's best friend in loneliness. Now, ninth number sentence we have to see. One class is absent in the drill. One class, here class is given in a singular form. We have to convert it into plural form. Instead, here we are talking about one class singular, but instead of one class, we have to make more classes. So what we have to do changes here? Instead of one, we have to write some classes. Some classes. Here classes is the, so we cannot use is here. Instead of is, we have to put are. Some classes are absent in the drill. In the drill. Here our sentence converted into plural form. Some classes are absent in the drill. Can you understand, student? Now last sentence remaining 10. An alumnus of this college has made this contribution. An alumnus is given in a singular form here. An alumnus of this college has made this contribution. Instead of an alumnus, we have to convert here. N we have to remove. Instead of N, we have to write some alumni. Plural form of alumnus is alumni. Like that, you have to write alumni of this college. Instead of has, we have to write plural form. Have made this contribution. Can you understand then? Here our this sentence number 10 converted into plural form. Some alumni of this college have made this contribution. So students, here our 10 sentences over. You have to complete all the exercise in your grammar textbook with pencil. Okay? Here our exercise be over. Now remaining exercise we have to do in our next video. Thank you for joining us.